Greetings, welcome back to Truly Restored TV. Let's talk about multi-stressed. Multi-stressed parents, multi-stressed caregivers, multi-stressed individuals. So normally when a team of therapists go to a family's home, we refer to the caregivers and or the parents as multi-stressed. Instead of calling them broken or dysfunctional, the word multi-stress sounds more appropriate, and actually sounds more empowering, I believe, because we all face stress. And so for caregivers or parents, the stress could be economic insecurity or economic embarrassment, as one of my mentors calls it. Also, it could be some housing insecurity. They don't know if they're going to be in their home from 1 month to the next, or maybe they're not even in a home. They're staying with somebody, or they're in a shelter, or they're living in their car. You know, there's some dysfunction, there's some fear surrounding whether or not they'll be able to keep their children in the home. There's also multi-stress about the children, school, meeting their basic needs, food, clothing, and shelter, so their emotional needs just get lost in the process. But at the same time, it's important for us to recognize that the parents and or caregivers have their own challenges going on in terms of emotional health. Maybe no one met their emotional needs when they were growing up. Maybe they were pushed to the sides. We've all heard, some of us have heard the comments, oh, just suck it up. Why are you crying? Stop crying. Oh, you're going to be all right. Our caregivers were dismissive, or they were too busy to pay attention to us. They didn't think it was really important. And so that's part of the reason why we have some of the things going on in life the way we do, is because we take care of people we have been even taken care of from the perspective of food, clothing, and shelter, but what's going on psychologically and what's going on emotionally and even spiritually is overlooked or neglected. So let's talk about some solutions for dealing with being multi-stressed. So the suggestion for self-care is not just a fancy word or a pat term to get someone to pay attention to themselves. It's actually an action. It's actually something that you can do, or your loved one can do, or you can help someone else do to bring some calmness to their nervous system. Help them calm down, bring it down. Because that stress level makes us function when we're on high alert. But when we're able to bring it down and restore ourselves to a place of balance, healing and wellness happen. So thank you for watching the channel today. We'll talk more about this again. God bless you. Make sure you pray for yourself. Pray for your friends and your loved ones who may be multi-stressed. And pray for your enemies who may be multi-stressed too. And that's why they're acting the way they're acting. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.